I came across this event online, the Women's Nature Walk. I was really excited about it and wanted to take my daughter and my niece out for the event, but little did I know it was also a veg fest. It was really hot this day, but the event was beautiful. A lot of vendors with a lot of great food. Wait, who's this kid hugging my niece?
That's where you would sit like a table or something. Like the book we would share. Oh, that's pretty. These flowers.
The scenery here was so beautiful. For anyone who's interested, we were at Franklin Park in Columbus, Ohio. I had this delicious, really fruity mixed drink. I can't remember which vendor I got it from, but somehow ended up recording it in slow motion. I don't know. Thought this clip was a bit funny, so wanted to leave it in. Turtle Island was also there. Their food is amazing, and I got the privilege to work with them a little bit earlier that month. I'll show you those clips here in a little bit. Their mac and cheese is to die for. This is me working for Turtle Island a couple weeks prior. It was such a great time. The event went great. The day started out beautiful, but we did get rained out at the end. But still had a fantastic time. Highly recommend their food. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for upcoming videos.